Hi, today I am going to show you how to do section 1a, number 10. The math question is, the following is a magic square. All rows, columns, and diagonals sum of the same number. Find the value of A, B, C, and D. So you're going to start out with writing your square. So we have 17A, 7, 12, 22, B, C, D, and 27. So by starting, you're going to find a sum, and the only ones that you can figure out would be this diagonal because it has all the numbers in it. So for step 1, you're going to add 17 plus 22 plus 27, and the sum is going to be 66. In step 2, you're just going to start figuring out what the variables are. So I started with B, figuring out that one. So I plugged 12 and 22 in. So 12 plus 22 will give you 34. And then I took the total sum, which is 66. So 66 minus 34 is going to be 32. So you'll plug that into the square. And then for step 3, I found the value for A. So you're going to plug 17 and 7 in. So 17 plus 7 will give you 24. And then your total sum will be 66 minus 24, giving you a total for A as 42. And then on to step 4, you're still trying to figure out these variables. So I did C next. So I did 17 plus 12 to figure out C. And 17 plus 12 will give you 29. So 66 minus 29 will give you a value of 37 for C. And then next I found the total for D. So I took the sum for C and put that in. So 37 plus 27, and that'll give you 64. And 66 minus 64 will give you a value of 2. So that gives you all of the variables filled in. But I wanted to check my work, so I went by the rows first. So this one I plugged in the value for A. This one the value for B, and then this one has C and D in it, and they all had 66, so that one was good. And then I plugged in the columns, and then this one had C, this one had A and D, and then this one had B, and they all had 66, so that one was good. And then I went to the diagonals, and this one had the value of C plugged into it, so this one was good. And then this one we already had the values for in the beginning, and that one also equaled 66. So then after you find all those values, you can plug it in to the square just to finish your work. So I put 42 in for A, 32 in for B, 37 in for C, and 2 in for D. And that is how you would do number 10. Thank you.